right? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Let's have a very quick Pablo catch-up, shall we? If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to what I am watching in this video. For the first one, a huge thank you to the YouTube account that is Soleil, and for the next two, which are really like fun stuff and I'm looking forward to it, those are uploaded by a YouTube account called May. I don't think I've come across that account, but I will definitely be keeping an eye on it. Are we going to get somebody who's going to make more fun edits, add English subs to stuff? And I'm excited about that one too. I'm looking forward to this, especially because I'm going to be able to see a little bit more of Pablo as a judge, as a coach on The Voice Kids, and I just love this picture so much. He just looks so cute and dreamy, and gosh, nobody pulls off long hair the way that Pablo does. I honestly don't ever want him to cut this. Anyway, we've not even got into what this content is, and I'm already like drooling all over his face. But yes, let's focus on Coach Pao for the moment, and let's see what other fun stuff pops up in a second. So please can we watch this together?
Kung hindi ikaw ang pinuno ng SB19, sino sa mga kagrupo mo ang feeling mong pwede maging leader?
Ako personally, sa grupo naman po kasi namin, hindi kami nagbotohan kung sino magiging leader. Yung pinaka-mentor po namin yung nagsabi kung sino yung magiging leader. And ako personally, ayoko po talaga maging leader. Kasi mahirap mag-handle ng members. Pero natutunan ko lang po siya dun sa journey namin ng SB19. So I think sa SB19, kahit sino po yung maging leader, I think okay po sa kanila. Kasi
he did not just say that.
Parang pagiging leader, kailangan mong intindihin yung mga miyembro mo. Kailangan mong alamin kung ano yung personality nila, kung paano sila natututo. So I guess lahat sila pwedeng maging leader. And matututunan nila along the way kung paano asikasuhin or kung paano yung gagawin or kung paano yung approach sa bawat member nila.
And I guess
oh my god, I just melt over this man, right? Sometimes you ask people a question, especially in the public eye, and they will give you this really like golden answer because they don't want to cause problems, so they won't put anybody above anybody else. They kind of want to keep the peace. That is not one of those answers. The reason why he answered in this way is because Pablo's outlook to life, he wants to see the best in people, he sees the strengths in people, and he truly believes in others. Like, this man is just gorgeous. And Pablo, you grew into the role of leader, and not just SB19's leader, but for the whole vision that is the P-pop Rise. And we're just so grateful that you have so graciously taken on this really, really tough task. And sometimes you put it before yourself, and just know that it doesn't get wasted.
Yes, dahil magkasama na rin kayo ng medyo mahabang panahon na alam nyo na rin yung ugali ng isa't isa and the working relationship.
So masasabi ko po talaga nung una, palagi kami nag-aaway, maraming pagtatalo, pero habang tumatagal, syempre po mas naiintindihan namin yung bawat isa. So natututunan namin kung paano kumilos as a team. Dahil lahat kayo gusto nyong mapaganda yung inyong mga performance.
You are a young CEO. Sa pagiging CEO, ano ang lesson na natutunan mo?
Sa business side of things, well, as SB19 member, gano'n na rin po kasi yung pag-iisip namin. Parang, we think about our artistry, pero at the same time, we think about the business side as well.
Yeah.
Kasi, syempre, di ba, yung art naman, kailangan mo pa rin kumita para mapagpatuloy mo kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. So, sa business side, yun din po yung iniuna namin. Actually, sa 1Z Entertainment, ang pinakamahalaga po talaga sa amin is yung collaborative work. It's one of our foundations. So, yung talagang pag-collate ng mga ideas and pakikinig sa bawat isa, talagang pinapractice po namin siya. But at the same time, we have our experts pagdating po sa kung paano aaralin yung market. Para sa ganon, merong synergy between yung art and the business. Para ma-invento ng maayos, para mag-work ng maayos kung alam man yung hinahatid namin sa mga tao. So, yun.
Was it
He just speaks so well. Oh my goodness. Do you know, like, when he's listening to the question, he's really taking it in, and it totally makes sense as to like what he studied and everything like that, what his major was, because he's really processing the question before it gets to him, like, and what do you think about this? Oh, and this is the question. So there's very little stuttering because he's just so with it, and I just love it.
Something na from the start, may idea na kayo, o as you went along na lang, dun yun na lang na-realize na, ay, hindi lang to puro performance. Kailangan talaga may, you know, mahahandle rin namin yung business side of things.
Yan, ang masasabi ko po dyan, as we go along the way, yun po talaga, parang experience talaga is the best teacher. Kasi nung una, iniisip lang namin, okay, gawa tayo ng ganito. Is it feasible? Is it something practical na maglalabas tayo ng ganito kalaking pera? Sometimes, talagang, hindi pala sometimes, always, winuwi namin kung ano yung mga options namin. Is this path worth it? Or is this parang it will incur us expenses lang na walang masyadong balik? So merong mga high risk, merong mga yung high reward, mga ganyan. So kami po palagi kailangan balanse. Pero sometimes meron kaming mga vision na gusto namin talaga gawin kahit na hindi namin ina-expect na may babalik sa amin. Ginagawa namin siya kasi gusto namin yung ginagawa namin. At the same time, parang it's pushing boundaries eh. Parang it's something na kailangan namin itatry para nang sa ganun merong papuntahan, parang ganun po.
At para balance.
Opo.
Pablo, ano yung mga ginagawa mo noon na hindi mo na nagagawa ngayon?
Ako, madami po.
Ano yung mga namimiss mong gawin? Kasi syempre, ngayon, masyado na kayong agaw pansin na masyado eh.
Ako po kasi mahilig akong lumabas mag-isa. So, before, lagi po ako nanonood ng movie mag-isa, ganyan. Ngayon, nagagawa ko po siya, pero kailangan talagang tago-tago ka, tapos piling-pili yung oras. Kasi po mahirap sa amin kapag nakita ka na, bari let's say may nakakita sa aming fan, kapag nagpunta sa'yo yun, parang may makakita sa'yo.
It attracts
So,
attention.
mag-gather na sila. And one of the things na hindi ko po parang uncomfortable yung nagka-cause ng commotion or nakakaabala sa ibang tao. So, talagang parang undercover, like hoodie, ganyan, tapos cap, tapos mask, ganyan po.
Talaga, nagagawa mo pa siya ngayon, ah?
Opo.
Saan ka tumatambay, Pablo?
Sa mga mall po na hindi pa siya masyadong matao.
Well, that's good.
Parang kailangan ko po siya eh. Kasi sa work, parang nakaka-drain talaga eh. Sobrang stressful eh. Sometimes you need to unwind. And also, inspiration. Kumbaga, yung movies, yung mga music, makikinig ka ng music, manonood ng movie, inspiration din po.
At saka iba rin yung feeling na ino-observe mo, no? Yung mga tao na parang, okay, ganito pala ang gusto nila ngayon, di ba? Ano ang favorite movie mo or favorite actor?
Marami po akong favorite actors. Pero siguro sa Pilipinas, gusto kong acting ni Sir John Lloyd. Yan.
And love, he instantly swerved that around to Filipino.
Siguro yung mga recent na pinanood ko lang, siguro yung One More Chance ulit. Meron pong play si One More Chance. So napanood ko siya ulit. Pero syempre na-reminisce ko yung mga lumang movie. Si Popoy at
si Basha at si Popoy. Ano ang genre ba na mas gusto mong panoorin?
Ay, iba-iba po eh. Minsan gusto ko suspense, minsan horror, minsan gusto ko talaga yung action. Pero siguro na-enjoy ko ngayon yung parang medieval po na type.
Really?
Parang mga
Periodic,
Familiar po ko sa Game of Thrones, mga
House of the Dragon.
House of the Dragon. Opo.
What is one thing people would be surprised to know about you?
Siguro po makulit ako.
We know that.
Kasing kulit ni Stel?
Tingnan po natin, malalaman nila. Lalabanan ko si Stel. Pero po kasi, ang impression talaga sa akin ng mga tao, parang seryoso.
Yes,
parang hindi ako yung parang natatakot daw sila sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun yung impression.
They don't know you. Yeah, I get it.
Ganun ba ako? Kasi pag magkakasama kami ng SB19, ang kukulit naman namin. Lagi kami siguro yung mga close sa akin, alam nila na gano'n naman ako, very,
wacky?
Makulit din ako, malaro din ako. Pero yung ibang tao na hindi pa ako nakikilala, ang impression nila talaga, seryoso, ganyan, nakakatakot, stricto, pero malalaman natin, di ba?
What annoys you the most?
Marami pong bagay eh.
Tell us everything. List it.
Siguro po, kahit the simplest things. Siguro yung pag nagsi-CR, tapos syempre toilet bowl, kasi hindi po punasan or o kaya may nakababa yung seat, tapos nagigigil ako.
Peeve ni Pablo yun. Mabilis ka bang magalit? Mainis?
Depende po. Po. Let's say naka-work mode ako. Parang dapat naka-work mode lahat. Pero pag lumalayo na dun sa parang nagbibiruan na or maingin na, hindi na nagagawa ng tama yung kailangan gawin, medyo naanoy ako. Pero na-control ko na po siya before. Tapos, before then, meron akong nawawala sa tono. Hindi ko po alam, automatic na gagiiba yung expression ko. Tapos parang, pero nabago ko na rin po siya.
May pagka-usi ka ba, Pab?
Medyo po.
Gamit mo, kailangan walang
Opo.
gagalaw, yung mga ganon?
Opo, number 1 yon. Tapos bago ako magtrabaho, kailangan maayos yung gamit ko.
Yeah.
Yung mga damit mo naman, Pablo, hindi man yung color-coded. Na lahat puti, hanger mo, isang kulay.
Ganun din po.
Cute.
Parang black, tapos dito, color.
So, kung iinisin ko pala si Pablo, yung gamit mo, gaganunin ko lang. Tapos,
Hindi
joke
pa.
lang.
What will be the consequences?
Okay lang po minsan. Pero pag nasa
Pero
mood ka
kapag
lang-
umalis na, itutuwid mo ulit yung mga gamit.
Parang natutunan ko na siya kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao alam yung parang personality mo, yung mga ayaw mo sa buhay. Talagang, sige, gawin mo naman yan, tapos mamaya ayusin ko na.
Kung may song ang SB19 na ide-dedicate mo sa grupo, ano yon?
Gento na lang po. Kasi yung Gento po, storya po talaga namin yun eh. Hindi man directly, pero yung Gento po kasi, hindi, Crimson na lang po. Bago-bago. Well, yun po, yung Crimson po kasi, it's about parang blood, sweat, and tears. Yung journey po ng SB19, hindi talaga siya naging madali kasi nanggaling kami sa maliit na kumpanya. Tapos, most of the things that we did before, talagang self-produced siya. So, kami po, wala kaming mga producer, wala kaming songwriter, wala kaming tagaturo ng sayaw. So, lahat po yun, inaral namin from scratch para naman magawa namin kung makapag-release kami ng music. So, talaga pong blood, sweat, tears po
It was.
yung inalay namin para maarating itong status namin ngayon.
Sinabi mo
seen
yung
it.
blood, sweat, and tears, no? Na-imagine nyo ba na magiging ganito na kayo kalaki? From when you were just starting?
You had to dream.
Well, meron po kami, syempre sabi nila, mangarap ka na malaki. Meron kaming pangarap na malaki. Pero every time na nag-work kami, pumapasok kami sa studio, yung tingin po namin, yung nasa harapan lang. Kasi, for us, mahalaga na i-improve mo yung sarili mo, tumingin ka sa harap. Tapos, work your way around. Kasi minsan po, nakaka-overwhelm pag masyado mong iniisip yung malaking bagay eh. Hindi mo na alam kung saan magsisimula, hindi mo alam kung tama pa ba yung ginagawa mo. Tapos, isa pa doon, yung parang mako-compare mo yung sarili mo sa ginagawa ng iba. So, yun po yung mga bagay na ina-avoid namin. Kaya, araw-araw, parang routine yung ginagawa namin just to improve ourselves. Minsan nakakapagod kasi nakakaumay, paulit-ulit yung ginagawa mo, pero merong siyang purpose. Tapos hindi ka dapat mag-shortcut. So, yun lang po yung tinitingnan namin.
Kung makakausap mo ang younger self mo, ano ang sasabihin mo sa young Pablo?
Tanda mo lang. Good job siguro. Good job, you did great. Pagigihan mo pa. Yun lang.
Ano ang
Cute.
feeling mo na may mga bata na gustong mag-break din sa industry, ikaw ang magmo-mold sa mga yun?
Yeah.
Sa totoo lang po, sobrang honored ako ngayon at napili akong bilang coach. Yung status ko po ngayon sa era ko ngayon or sa kalalagayan ko ngayon, gusto ko talagang i-share yung knowledge na natutunan ko. And yun nga po, sa 1Z po kasi naghahanap kami ng mga new talents. So, talagang nandun na po ako sa stage na nagigigil ako, na very excited ako na ma-meet ng new talents na very passionate people. Naka-help din naman po talaga yung journey namin with SB19 kasi iba po mahirap maging leader mahirap na kailangan alamin mo lahat ng personality ng mga tao. Iba't iba sila ng learning curve. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, oh, galingan mo, bakit ang tagal-tagal mo matuto? Hindi ganun So, feeling ko, right now, I'm equipped to be able to teach them and maximize yung potential nila or yung knowledge na pwede nilang matutunan from me. To be able to sing well, perform well in front of people.
Ready ka na ba kay Coach Tel?
Hindi ako kay Coach Tel.
No one is ready for Coach Tel.
Hindi yan uubra sa akin. Kung maingay yan sa last season, ako tatahimik yan.
Oh.
Message to the global Pinoy fans
Fighting
na inaabangan ka sa The Voice Kids.
Para po sa lahat ng global Pinoy fans talagang sumusubaybay sa The Voice Kids, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta nyo. Ako po si Coach Pablo at makakaasa po kayo na gagalingan namin at ibibigay namin ang the best performance ng The Voice para sa inyo.
He's just so incredibly likable, and you see like why you should respect him, right? It's not that he's going around demanding it. He speaks with a lot of wisdom, experience, and he's really willing to share it as well, right? He's not gatekeeping everything that he learned. He's really willing to share everything, and you've just got to look up to him. And even if like you choose not to be an 18 or like specifically follow Pablo throughout his career, I think you should just keep an eye on him, because you just know that somebody like that is like destined for big things. So much fun. I wish I could watch The Voice Kids or be able to understand in some way or another, but I do get to watch clips here and there and still like enjoy in my own time, which is more than enough, more than I could ask for. And I do hope that he's giving Coach Stella a run for his money, not only in cheekiness, in presence, but also for contestants as well. Pal's got a different vision, a different eye, and it's quite interesting because this is happening at this time, and or like it just happened, and then it will continue to be live, but it's obviously like a similar sort of time as to when 1Z are looking for talents, so I think it's going to help him to nitpick and judge talent better when he goes about doing it for 1Z. So I'm really grateful that he got this opportunity. Next. I love what he's wearing. So ultra baby. Oh, he's so small. He's so small in comparison to that big chair.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Oh my God.
That for my journey that I took.
I love it. Playful Pal. I mean, he is so beautiful.
Naiiyak na ako. Umikot na naman si Stel. Bawal ba ako umikot? Nanginginig pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Wag ka kasi tumingin dito, kaya ka nanginginig. Dito ka kasi nakatingin, kaya nanginginig ka. Yes, we are good! Basta lagi mo tatandaan, tulad nga ng sinasabi namin ng SB19, kahit hindi ikaw ang pinakamagaling, basta alam mo sa sarili mo na kayang-kaya mo gawin ang lahat dahil realize mo sa sarili mo. Busy kami. Sino yung sabi nun? Ha? Busy kami. Yun yung leader nagsabi nun, di ba? Oo, pero ako yung pinili. Basta naniniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Yun ang importante, okay?
The banter. Get out, Pablo.
Gagalingan natin, ha? Thank you. Ako gumanyan. Ako gumanyan. Hindi ko na-expect na pipiliin niya ako. Akala ko si Julie yung pipiliin. Kasi tumitingin siya sa'yo eh. Huwag ka na. Tama na, Stel. Pagod na kami sa'yo. Bakit kayo galit sa akin? Hindi na. Ginagawa ko lang naman yung best ko.
Oh, Pablo.
Hello! Hello!
Magalang pa.
Coach feeling!
Thank you!
Alam mo yung para siyang ano, yung
I freaking love that outfit.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach
Oh, I've seen this bit.
ay si Coach Stel!
Kids are adorable. Pablo's love language. You see what you did to Coach Billy.
Ay si Coach Pablo!
Wow. The audience are hyped. More so than the other one, right? TVG.
Anong pangalan mo yun?
John Hebron po ang pangalan ko.
Hebron?
John.
James?
Apo.
Hebron?
Hebron po, mga John.
Lebron yun, Lebron.
Lebron pala isa. Alam mo, seryoso ako. Hebron, I want you! I want you!
Oh, not him again. Why? Why is it that, me and you too, Pablo, why is it that I'm trying to make a video that is about somebody else and that rotten child keeps poking his face in? I am so angry with Stel. I still love you, Stel.
Ate Chona, wag kang magdrama. Di ka maganda. Puro ka taray, Ate Chona.
So true. Make it happen, Pablo. Threaten him.
Ang yabang-yabang mo! Ang yabang-yabang mo!
I kind of need this person to make a video after every single episode of TVK, I think. Just so much fun. Oh my gosh, you get a little bit of everything. You get him getting giddy, and I love to see our boys with kids anyway, but when they squeal and they get happy and like they're like, oh cute, I'm like, this is how we feel about you. It's weird to see you doing that with somebody else. It's just super duper cute, and you can see that like how much fun he's having, how confident he is, how comfortable he feels with everyone as well. And I can't wait for the live shows and those like performances, and hopefully SB19 will guest as well. And I need to move on to the next video. I'm so sorry, I'm just talking too much.
Table 72134.
Stop being so dramatic and go and get your meal.
May experience si Pablo. Pinuno. Yes, let's go! Ito yung fries. Sana mag-good spins.
I hope he doesn't get in. It would be so funny.
I'm blessed by you. Ito totoo yun. Photocard. Yan. Damihan mo. Damihan mo ilan.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine just bumping into him like this?
Bubuksan tayo ng SB19.
Oh, this is so cute. This is literally what 18 have done.
Boys ko talaga si Pablo. Let's go, Pablo. Ay, ayan.
Kita na eh.
Nakita na. Ay, Diyos Kalin. Kinakagal. Diyos Kalin. Pwede na rin, pwede na rin.
I'd love it if you got a full house.
Sabi na nag-unbox, pag nakuha nila yung hindi nila hinahanap. Pwede na rin, pwede na rin. Yeah, Diyos Kalin. Oh, pati dito pala ako kinakagat niya. Alright, next. Photocard number 2. Dapat pala tatakpan ko yung baba. Para may suspense. Ay! Yan. Ang sabi ni Macdo sa likod, through thick and thin. Thick pa rin. Ay!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, Diyos ko! Ano naman?
I would really love it if all of them were Josh Cullen. How hilarious would that be? I'd like to have 2 Josh Cullens.
Josh Cullen lahat nakuha ko.
It'd be amazing.
Ito na, ito na. Oops. Ito natin. Alright. Rockstar! Sige!
Oh!
Parang di ko ata mabubulo si Pablo ngayon. Okay, nabibenta ko. Ganun pa rin mga posing mo. Okay, dalawa na lang.
I love it when he's this playful.
Tingnan natin kung may nunan. Tong hits.
Oh my gosh! The things that are coming out of his mouth.
Parang hindi ko ata mabubulo sa sarili ko. Pablo, please. Pili ko kinakagat na naman yung last.
I really hope so too.
It's either Justin or Pablo.
Or group.
Sana naman pagbigyan mo na ako na mabulot ko. It's either...
I actually thought it was...
Yun na po, yun nagtatapos. Parang kailangan ko pa bumili ng marami. Nararamdaman ko na yung frustration ng mga fans.
It's frustrating,
Hindi
but
kasi
it's fun.
syempre gusto nila makompleto, di ba? Mahirap. Huwag natin pagbigyan.
I mean, I need to go back and watch that live again. Oh wait, join the dance challenge, yes. I'm sorry, am I like spoiling my next TikTok catch up? So much fun, I don't want this to end. 18, I don't want this to end. This was too much fun. Did he ever get a Pablo photo card? That's all I want to know. But maybe I will leave that and find that out when I do my next TikTok catch up. So much fun. I'm just loving everything that he's doing these days, and I love the little Blessed being played in the background there, because I know that I need to watch that lyric video today, hopefully. I'm looking forward to that one and how joyful it's going to be. Please do talk to me about these 3 videos that I included in this, and I think it's been a long time since I've watched like a fan-made fun edit, but I'm really glad that we've got lots of 18. This is the thing, that some people get busy with their life and they go away and they take a break from their accounts and they're creating, and other people pop up and you constantly get this wave of new people coming in and doing stuff, and it's just so much fun. It's a great fandom to be a part of. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care, stay safe.